How to set stop limit order in Robinhood. So all you're gonna have to do is to open your portfolio, and we want to scroll down and open any position. So I got here a little of the crypto, and click on trade and click sell, and here should be in the right upper corner area market order. Click it, and here you'll find stop limit order. So if any stock or crypto falls to a fixed stop price, it's gonna trigger a limit sell. So click it. I choose the Bitcoin and I want to, for example, 50,000 euros. Click on continue. So this is the stop price. And now set the limit price. So it should be below that stop loss. For me, 49,500. So if it falls under my stop loss price, which is $50,000 or euros, the limit price is 500 below. So if it falls quickly below this number, it will not complete the order. So if it falls from 51 to $46,000 or euros, it will not fill my order because there is a limit price. So click on continue and set time in force, 40 days for example, and you have to set here the amount which you want to sell if these orders will trigger. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.